everybody, and welcome back to the UK. As you can see, we've kind of been missing Cooper a little bit. Hey everyone, we're Stephen, Jess, and little Hunter, an Australian family who 2 years ago self-converted a van to travel around our home country of Australia. But after completing our goal earlier this year, we were just itching to dive back into van life. And what's more perfect than picking up a van in the UK to hit up some beautiful and quintessential British villages.
So yesterday back in London, we picked up this van and we weren't sure if Hunter was going to remember van life. But the moment she saw the van, she started calling it Cooper.
Who is it?
So this is officially Cooper the second. So we've always wanted to go on a little family road trip through the Cotswolds, and we thought the perfect way to come and see this area is a van. And actually back in 2017 when we got married, we went on our honeymoon and took a van down the south of England, and it really sparked our love for van life, and it's probably the reason we went and renovated our own van and did a lap around Australia. So what do you think, Steve? 2018 converter on Campervan? Are you up for the job?
Let's do it.
We're gonna make eggs and toast.
Yes, Mommy left.
Can you mix that up for Mama?
Look at me do it. All done.
Oh, all done.
Go back. Ready.
What's this?
Butter.
Butter.
The little baby Barbie.
Excuse me. What have you got there?
You have to taste test.
Uh-oh.
It's gonna have a little Hunter bite out of every strawberry we're about to eat.
Look, yum yum.
Right, Hunter, I just need
Uh-oh.
I just need the strawberries for the pancakes.
Look.
Hunter, where's the strawberries? What? Hello, strawberries? Is anyone on left? I'm not ready yet. I've been missing Vegemite, and they don't have Vegemite here, but they do have Marmite. I'm giving it a go. See, the thing that's different with Marmite is that Vegemite is like black and thick, and this is like sticky. It's almost like honey. Hunter, want to try? Have a little lick, see if you like it. Do you need some water, honey? It's because it's Marmite, not Vegemite, right?
Yeah.
Honey, do you like it? Oh, do you need a strawberry to wash it down? I think it ruined her morning. Grab some yogurt and put it in the bowl. In the bowl. That yogurt
So
is
good.
delicious.
Okay, yummy.
Yogurt's yummy. It's honey yogurt. Did you taste it?
Yes.
You did.
You did?
And we have to pour it on top. Woohoo! Yum. That looks delicious.
Push the door. Push. Like, Mom, breakfast.
Seeing as it is our first morning in the van, we thought we should go all out for brekkie. I think we did pretty good. Luckily, I was able to save some strawberries. Hunter, how come the strawberries are right in front of you?
Okay.
Cheers, Hunter. Cheers, honey. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Stevie.
Cheers, Bobs. Generally miss van life. When we were in Cooper, when did we kind of jump out? Was it
May.
It was just your birthday.
Yeah.
Wow, so it's definitely been quite a few months, and
Makes me miss it.
it does.
I think it's like my favourite way to travel as a family. Like
Yeah.
Hunter just loves it so much. Hunter, do you like staying in the van? Mm-hmm. Are you eating all the strawberries again? Do you even chew them? She just puts them in her mouth and swallows. This place just had a little local cafe. What was it called? The Old Shed?
Yeah.
Selling coffees. So you go get a coffee.
Yep.
I'll go get our washing. I was also thinking you should show them how cute the toilet block looks compared to like what the toilet blocks look like in Australia. Like here in England, it's like this little stone building with vines. Vines growing up on the side. I'm like, it is so cute.
Oh, go.
So one of the biggest questions we had when we were driving Cooper around Australia was, how do you drive this big van and not pit stop? Cooper, thankfully, was a 2020 Sprinter. It had sensors, cameras everywhere, so easy. We've got a Fiat. I think a little bit older than 2020. So for the first time, I actually feel like I'm this tank driving around because there's no reversing, no rear view mirror, like there's no sensors. So thankfully, the UK is on the correct side of the road. But fun fact is we've been doing so much driving on the wrong side of the road that even though it's normal, it's what I learned to drive in, this side feels weird. I don't know how to explain because we've done the US, we've done driving around Switzerland and stuff. My brain is officially very confused.
Daddy, baby hole, Daddy.
Another big hole. Should we go through it?
For the guy.
Okay, let's do it.
So everyone, when you come to the Cotswolds, pretty much the thing to do is go and see the incredibly beautiful villages. And we've just arrived in Castle Combe, which is quintessentially probably the most prettiest English village you are going to see. It's really just a road, but everything along the way feels like you're in Snow White, feels like you've just gone back in time, and it's so stunning. Really, from the bridge at Water Lane, the post office, and you can see just at the top, that's it. But I think that's what makes it so special. You can see a beautiful town. I'm not doing too many steps, to be honest. It's really nice.
We go to the gate.
Hello, Mr. Goat. Look at your beard. Ready? Go. So tonight we're staying at a caravan park and it is right next to this farm. So I think it's actually included in your stay. So you get to stay and then hang out at the farm. Hunter's dream caravan park. What do you see?
Llamas.
What type of animals do you see, honey?
The hiker.
Do you see a Highland coo? Do you see goats?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the hiker is so big.
It's so big. They are very big here. Good morning, goats.
My gonna see big. Look at the goat.
You go like that. Okay, you go. Nom, nom, nom. You say morning.
Morning. Hi, morning.
You're giving them one little pellet.
Daddy, hi, good. Oh,
Are they eating it?
I like it, hi, good. Hi, good, eating apple. Good morning.
He's a hungry goat.
Squeeze.
Stronger. Uh-oh. Oh no!
Oh no! Milk. Squeeze.
It's so fun.
They did it one.
Grab the bottle.
Oh, look. I'll hold it for you. Are you ready? And oh my goodness, do you want to touch it? You did it! Is he so hungry?
Mommy.
She's like, what's going on? You're so hungry. And you're all finished. Oh, gooey, ooey. Say bye, sheep. Was it fun? Still considering it.
I think her face reaction was everything.
It's so cute.
Daddy.
Look at the look at you, Hunter.
I like it more.
There's more. What? Tonight for dinner we're having curry. Okay, strong face, go push. Push. You did it. So, while the potatoes are boiling, we thought we'd show you a quick little tour of this van. It's kind of fun after living in a van for so long and then living in a different one. It's fun to see the different types of like touches and stuff that they have done. But come on in to Cooper the second. Are ready for the first cool feature?
3, 2, 1.
Ta-da! I wish we had this in Cooper. So cool. So yes, the front two seats swivel around, which then leads us to our dining room, which I think is so cool. So this table, it can get taken out and then put underneath the bed. So when we're driving, we don't have it here. But as you can see, this place sits 4 people, which means that you can fit a family of 4 in the van. And then here we have our kitchen. It is definitely smaller than Cooper the first. Like there's no bench space, so you kind of have to use this as your bench space. It all runs on gas. There are 2 hobs. Is that what they're called, hobs?
I think so.
2 hobs, a little sink, and then you've got a bunch of storage. And in the top, they supply you with all your kitchen bits and bobs. Another thing that this van has that Cooper didn't have. Hunter, what do you think of the bathroom?
This is me open.
Oh, what's in there? It's amazing.
Yes. Go. Bye.
Bye. What was it? Was it amazing?
Amazing.
Look at this. Take him in. Does it look amazing? Toilet and shower.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. And as you can see, we have a full standing shower that you have here. There's a toilet which is attached to a little unit that you can get rid of if you want it. It's got a tap here. We've got water in the bottom, and then you just pull this out and you have a shower.
So next up is our fridge, and I actually love how they've put it up high rather than down low, because if it's low, Hunter gets into it and takes everything out of it. So look, it's so hyped, she cannot get to it. But here is our fridge, nice and cold. More storage here, and then into the bedroom. George has a bed, doesn't he? Where does he go?
Here.
You have it all organised, don't you?
Don't sleep in here.
So welcome to the bedroom. This campervan does sleep 4 people, but to do the other 2 people, there is a bunk bed that comes up here. It isn't really interchangeable, so you either have the bunk bed up the entire time, which means I wouldn't be sitting here. So we just decided to remove the bunk bed so we have a bit more space. And as you can see, it's a lot more spacious. But if it's 4 of you that are in this, it is that option.
So it means that we've just been having slumber parties every night with all of Hunter's toys. Is that right, Hunter? Potato check. Let's check. They're almost ready. All right, while they're almost ready, can you come and cut the zucchini? You did it. What are you cutting? What's it called?
Zucchini.
Your zucchini. Good work. And chop. And chop. And last one. And chop. You did it. Good work, honey.
Zucchini.
Zucchini all cut.
Oh, did it.
So, while Jess is finishing cooking and Hunter is playing farm, we actually brought something along on this van trip to make it extra fun for Hunter. I'm going to set up a little surprise for her. We've just picked up a portable laser 4K theater and I can't wait for Hunter to see this. Plus, we wanted to say a huge thank you to Nebula for sponsoring this video and for sending this along to make this van trip extra special. This thing was so easy to set up. I literally just plugged it in, connected it to the Wi-Fi, and I just chucked it in our room. So there's a couple of cool things about this projector to make it so easy, because they usually sound pretty daunting. Is one, it's automatically going to adjust to the wall that it has it on. So if it's in your house, or like us, we have a van, it has a curved wall, it just automatically adjusted for us. Also, I've just kind of chucked it on the bed. I haven't really played with the placement. It automatically focused it for us as well. And it's in 4K, so it looks so unbelievably sharp. Also, it's 2022. This is a smart device. It's got Android TV built into it, which means you can get your YouTube, Disney Plus, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hulu, whatever you're watching, you just download it off the internet and then just stream it automatically. Hunter has been obsessed with Peppa Pig, and that has blossomed even more since coming to the UK. So I'm gonna put a little surprise on for her. She doesn't know that we picked this up. Let's see what she thinks. Play Peppa Pig on YouTube.
Playing Peppa Pig on YouTube.
Mommy.
What is it?
Peppa Pig.
I love how it like curves up. It's like the perfect little spot.
Probably should have shown that to Hunter after dinner, because I think we've officially lost her.
I don't know why, but cooking in a van is so much more fun than cooking at house. I have no idea why, but here is our curry. What do you think? With some poppadoms.
That's pretty
Is
good.
it good?
Yeah.
I put some sour cream on top.
I feel like we haven't had home cooked food in a while.
Well, that's good. I think it turned out really yummy. It became a tradition whenever we're in the van and we're eating dinner, we always play some sort of game.
Oh yeah?
And today, I have like kind of like a couples game. So it's like I'll just say one of them is, who is the funny one? And then straight away you have to point to either yourself or each other. Right? And you're going through it. You have to go quick.
Alright.
Okay, we ready? Who is the funny one?
Me.
You're definitely more funnier than me. Who initiated the first kiss?
Yeah? Probably.
A long time ago.
A long, long time ago.
Back in 2005.
2005, yeah.
Wow. We're old.
Do you want to
You
come
want
join us
some
for Yummy?
We're playing a game, Hunter, okay? Alright, ready? Who is the more romantic one?
Me.
Who is the most patient? Me!
Patient?
You're not patient!
You want everything done now.
Who's the better cook?
Oh, 100%.
No,
yeah.
Hunter's the best cook.
Hunter, these are pretty...
Who said I love you first?
Me.
I remember it took you like ages to say it. And I was like...
What's that supposed to be?
I just remember,
like,
I remember
hurry
it
up,
took
boy.
ages.
Hey, doesn't matter when you say.
I
How
know.
many years later?
True. Who is the grumpier in the morning?
Yeah, oh yeah. I take longer to wake up.
Yeah, where I'm like suddenly awake.
Like
The happiest in the morning is Hunter.
It's like instant.
She's like, wakes up, she's like, morning! Who is the messy one? Is Hunter the messy one? Okay, this is for sure. Hunter is definitely the messy one. But to be honest, I feel like we're not messy. We're both not like dirty, but Steve and I can get really messy. Like if we're in a hotel room, our stuff just goes everywhere until the moment we have to pack up, and then we pack everything up.
Well, I'll define
It's like-
messy as like unorganized, clothes kind of everywhere. Dirty is like you've left dishes.
Yeah, exactly. Who spends the most money? Just on clothes. To be honest, if you add up all your little technology that you buy,
To be
you
honest,
probably spend
yeah.
the most.
I do.
I thought that was a get to know us, and usually when we're having dinner, we like to play little games like that. But now who's gonna pick up Hunter's Pop It On mess?
Messy.
So we've come down to another village. It is called Burton on the Water, and this is the perfect place to come if you're looking for a spot in the Cotswolds for lunch. There is this little stream of water running through the town, little cute bridges everywhere, and all these little grassy patches. You can come sit down, have a picnic, and I recommend going to a spot called Bakery on the Water. They have all these fresh baked goods. Had to go for a Cornish pasty, seeing as we actually haven't had one since we've come to the UK. And look at this. This is what we're sharing. Hunter, do you want a bite? Good? Oh yeah, that's a good one too. It's good, isn't it?
If you've never had a pasty before, it's kind of like a mixture of a pie and a sausage roll, and they're usually stuffed with meat, but we've gone for one which is cheese and onion.
With potato.
With potato. Very hearty. Great for the UK, especially during the winter months. It's a good snack.
It wouldn't be a British picnic without. What's that? A scone? And what else is in there? Cream. And the last thing, the most important thing, jam.
Cheers. Okay.
How brave you are, honey.
So brave. Shall we put you down? And
You're doing it.
yay! How is she brave?
I know.
My dear, it's a gold.
Mommy, do it.
So tonight we have a little bit of an idea to blow Hunter's mind. We thought we'll take the movies outside of the van and have our little outdoor theatre tonight.
What's that, honey?
Rainbow. Look,
Push it, and mommy push it. I tried to make fairy popcorn.
I'm on my window.